everybody, and welcome. This is our last radio repair day. We're headed over to the Laramie area. We have just this last one, and we're complete with our job. Just coming into the town of Saratoga here now. We've got to go all the way around Interstate 80 down to Laramie. And we've in the radio truck today, and we're pulling the four-wheelers that allow us to get to the site. It's cold. What is it? 28 degrees. It's a nice morning here in Wyoming. Just headed to Laramie here on Interstate 80. Snowy as ever. It's been cold, so the snow's not really melting. We made it to Laramie, got some coffee, and on to the mountaintop. Just leaving the truck stop and found a brand new Colorado Model Y. Blue, looks like a long range here. The supercharger is located, in fact you can see it right to the left there of the building. Looks like there's at least one charging there. Anyway, we're back on the interstate. Got to head up into the mountains now and get this job done. We're just leaving Laramie now, heading up into the hills here to the east of Laramie here on Interstate 80. Yep, as Greg said, this is former Lincoln Highway, Highway 30, and we can see there on the other side of the interstate overpass, Lincoln Head. It's that statue that we saw coming in of President Lincoln here.
Robert Russell is the sculptor.
Yeah, and the sculptor is Robert Russell.
Russin.
Oh, Russin, excuse me. My historian here on the truck. Let's see, we can kind of see it through the crappy windows. So there's Lincoln Head there. You can come here and visit, check it out. You can see the sights out there in the distance. It's actually in a park. We have to drive through the park to get to it. 30 degrees here. Alright, here's the site. And there's the antenna with a bunch of stuff on it. And we're done. This is our last site here in Cheyenne. Time to go. And just like that, we're loaded up with the wheelers and we're ready to go. I'm going to open the gate and get out of here. On the road now, coming down from the site, heading to Laramie. And we're having a little lunch today at the Corona Village Mexican restaurant. Been here a few times. Food's pretty good here in Laramie. Just leaving Laramie now, headed back to Saratoga. Taking Highway 230 now around the south of the big snowy range here. Let's have a look around here on Highway 230, just about ready to head up the hill. This is the town of Riverside. It's the sister town to Encampment, which is just up the hill. We're going to turn right here on Highway 30. Or 130. I think it's the same. We're just about home here. Today was a good day. We did Site 20. It was our last site over in Laramie. We went there, did the site, came back, had a nice lunch, did some errands in Laramie, and now we're almost about home. We took the southern route along Highway 230 and then up here on Highway 130. If you like my videos, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and a subscription would be just awesome. This concludes our site work. However, there will be more stuff available here on the channel as I come across. Look for some new Tesla stuff here. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.